Okay, thanks for watching. So now we'll go back and into actually invoking the appraisal clause. What does that mean, right? And I did a video for KSAT, and you can find it on my website that kind of explains what it is and how it functions. And they've got it down to a 5, 6, 7 minute segment, right? But I want to elaborate a little bit more on these episodes here that we're presenting. But when you invoke the appraisal clause, we at Miracle Body and Paint and collision centers throughout the state that know how to utilize this tool, right? We've chosen to have a professional adjuster run our business office. So you're able to, you have a service writer at our shop that repairs your car, makes sure he's using the best parts that are available, keeps you up to date and informed of how the repair is coming along and what damages the vehicle has and what hidden damages it may have that maybe you were unaware of. And you also have a business manager that's supporting the service writer and supporting you as a consumer, keeping an eye on the bill, the money, right? Is your insurance company cooperating with your service writer? Is your insurance company following all the guidelines that the manufacturer of your automobile says they should follow? Are they paying for all the operations? Are they approving all the tests that need to be run? Are they buying parts locally and not out of state where it's just going to prolong the longevity of the repair? Like, who's looking out after your best interests? They're looking out after their best interests. Who's looking out after your best interests? Well, you have our service writer from a technical repair standpoint, and now you have our business manager from a financial and indemnification point of view, right? What's in your best interest? Time's important. You may have a rental car, but you really need your car. There's a special reason you have your car. It functions in a certain way, and a rental doesn't always work. And a rental could be costing you money out of your own pocket, where your car, you're paying insurance, you're making your monthly payments. It's less expensive if you just get your car back. The business manager will do that. He will look into making sure that it's being handled correctly.